Let's get a look at what's in the box when you get an XDP remanufactured CP3 fuel pump. The CP3 is a critical component in the fuel system of your diesel engine. Also known as a high-pressure fuel pump, it pressurizes fuel and delivers it to the fuel rail or rails in common rail fuel systems. From there, it's then sent to your fuel injectors. Inside the box, you'll find an XDP CP3 fuel pump. Each unit is built as a stock replacement and is remanufactured using high-quality internal components and calibrated to meet stringent specifications. These pumps are also end-of-line tested to ensure proper function. You can find these for a wide range of Dodge Ram, Chevy, and GMC diesel applications. If you're dealing with fuel delivery issues due to a failed CP3, XDP's lineup of remanufactured CP3 pumps will help you get your truck back up and running.